Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am your host Prabha. Today I am going to show you how you can achieve this beautiful mauve eye makeup. You can wear this look for a small gathering or even a puja at home. Come on then, let's just begin. First I am combing my eyebrows upwards with a spoolie so that I can clearly see the gaps which needs to be filled. Then with my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, I am filling in the gaps with an angled brush. Now to prep my eyelid, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Amber and spreading it with a concealer brush up till my eyebrows. I am running the same brush above my eyebrows as well for a defined brow shape, then setting the concealer with a compact using the same concealer brush. For my eye makeup today, I am using the Burgundy Bar Palette by Maybelline. As my transition shade, I am digging into this soft ochre shade and applying it all over my crease with a fluffy blending brush. Next, I am taking this shimmery bronze shade and applying it on the outer V of my eye with a small tapered blending brush. And now I am blending the edges for a soft diffused look. Now I am slightly dampening my Sigma E55 shader brush and then picking this gorgeous rich mauve shade and packing onto my eyelids right from the inner corner up till the outer V. Next, I am applying the same mauve shade with my finger once again to intensify the color. Blending in all the shades together for a seamless finish. Now I am taking this pearly white shade from the palette and applying it on my brow arch and the inner corners of my eye. With a wet wipe, I am cleaning all the eyeshadow fallouts from my face and then moving on to the base makeup. To prime my face, I am using L'Oreal Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer. I am taking 2 pumps of it. This is a lightweight primer and it instantly brightens up the skin and gives a natural looking dewy glow to the face. For foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation. It hydrates the skin very well. So girls, if you have dry skin, try this one out. It is an affordable and a decent foundation. To conceal my under eye area, I am using L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Amber. It is very pigmented and has full coverage, so I am using just a little amount. The only thing I dislike about this concealer is that it is very drying, so it is always a good idea to apply an eye cream or a moisturizer under your eyes before using this concealer. Now I am setting my under eye area with the L'Oreal Infallible Compact. And also dusting my face lightly with it. Next, I am using the L'Oreal Glam Bronze Duo and very lightly contouring my face and nose. To add some color on the cheeks, I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in the shade Plum. For highlighting the high points of my face, I am using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Blossom Glow Highlighter. I am applying it on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, in the center of my forehead, on the cupid's bow and a little on my chin. Coming back to the eye makeup, I am taking the Color Bar Amethyst Spark Eye Pencil and applying it on my lower lash line. Now with a flat brush, I am applying the same mauve shade on top of this liner. In my waterline as well, I'm applying this amethyst shade and smudging it on my lower lash line. Next, I'm applying the Lakme Absolute Cool Ultimate in the shade Royal Purple just on the outer third of my eyelid and drawing a very small wing with it and also joining it to the lower lash line. Then with a small angle brush, I'm smudging it out for a smoked eyeliner look. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and boy am I impressed. It is a bomb mascara. It curls and volumizes the lashes at the same time. Lipstick of the day is Superstay Ink Crayon by Maybelline in the shade Accept Adair. It's a very deep plum shade and it stays on for 5 to 6 hours easily. Finally, to lock the makeup, spraying on some Fix Plus. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you had fun watching this video, and if you did, then please like this video and leave your comment down below. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye, guys.